Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to do search engine optimization for Woocommerce or for your Woocommerce product. Now what this helps you do is it helps you to rank your product on Google searches. So I'm going to use the Yoast SEO for this tutorial. So if you haven't, you want to come over to plugins and go to plugins, and you want to install the Yoast SEO. It will help you to understand how you can configure your posts, your pages, and then your product for search engine. So this is the Yoast SEO. So go ahead and make your installation, and then you can come back to continue with this video. So right on the product page, now remember the title of this product is a coffee mug. So first of all, you want to make sure that the slug is coffee mug. So if this is not correct, you can go ahead and edit it, and once you're done, you're going to do OK. Now the next thing you want to do is to make sure that this is readable. So you want to optimize your text until the readability turns to green or at least yellow. So if it is green, then it is good. Then if it is yellow, then it is okay, which means Yoast SEO sees it as text or a passage that is readable, easily readable by your site visitor. So the way it is now, it is good, and this is the highest optimization for it. So yeah, I can proceed to go to the next thing. So the next thing is to make sure that I have the title at the beginning of this page of the content I'm writing. So it has to be at the beginning, and then of course the second thing you want to make sure that is that you have it kind of spiced up in the content. So within the content, your content, you want to easily you want to find ways to put in the keywords you are targeting for. So since we are targeting for coffee mug, so I have tried to make sure that they are there. Now make sure that there are not too many of them, because once it becomes too redundant on the content, then search engine begin to flag it. So yeah, keep it minimal, and of course Yoast SEO is going to point that out for you. So the next thing you want to do is to make sure that all the images are well optimized. So if you go to the image, so you can see that the alternative text is not available. So you want to make sure that that is available. So this is enough, but then you can go ahead and just add the rest as well. So these are all the images I'll be using. So I'm just gonna go ahead and optimize them. Alright guys, so I've finished adding the alternative text and title to the images I'll be using. So once that is done, I want to come back here, and then I want to also come over, scroll the way down to this part. So I want to first copy the exact. So the first line of text is what I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to scroll back up and see the meta description. So I'm going to put it right there. Now you can see that this line here is kind of showing you warning. That is why the color is orange. So I'm just going to remove some text until it turns green. Okay, right there. So I'll just put 3 dots to show that this text does not end there. right? So the next thing I want to do is the slug. So I'm going to copy. Now this is the keyword we are targeting for, so I'm going to use it as the slug. And then the title, of course, is correct. And then now the key phrase, the focus key phrase, is what you want to now do here. So you can see now that the SEO is green and the readability is green. So once you've done this, you should be rest assured that your content or your product is now optimized for search engine. So what you want to do is to go ahead and update your content, and then it should be updated, and then you are good to go. So to make sure that your changes have been effected, you can always check the tab here to see that it is green, and of course you can always come right here to check that the readability and the SEO is set to good and is looking green. So that is that, guys, and I hope this video shows you how to actually get that done. If it does, then leave me a like on the video, comment, tell me what you think or what you'll be using to optimize your content for search engine, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'll be releasing more of content like this one. Thank you, and I hope to see you in our next video.